Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors names. Pink color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, red color, green color, sky blue color, purple color. Today we will learn to write alphabets, lowercase alphabets, A, B, C, D. Now, let's start writing. A for apple. A for avocado. B for bun. B for ball. C for candy. C for carpet. D for donut. D for dolphin. E for eagle. E for elephant. F for flowers. F for finger. G for golden. G for garage. G, red color. H for helicopter. H for house. I for ice cream. I for injection. J for jar. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lychee. L for lemon. M for money. M for month. N for new. N for nails. Yellow color. O for octopus. O for orchid. P for pink. P for pirates. Q for question. Q for quarter. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for scooter. T for tree. T for train. U for uniform. U for university. Blue color. V for village. V for volcano. W for wind. W for water. X for x-ray. X for Xmas. Y for yum. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for Zenon. Green color. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.